Hi, good morning. So I'm supposed to be the mouse from If You Give a Mouse a Brownie. I got my overalls on. I have my sort of brown shirt because he actually doesn't have a shirt on. And then I'm just gonna do my hair. Get my hair. Just gonna do mouse ears, but I might not be in the mood for that. I'm just so exhausted. I printed this out so I can make it upstairs in a poster size. So I'm just gonna cut it around the brownie and just wear it like as a little necklace type. It's so funny because it's actually not for me, but I told the parents, please don't send your child with a onesie. And what do I have? And I went to the bathroom and I was like, I forgot I'm wearing a onesie. I also chose this book because, this is my last name, Brownie, Also because another teacher is doing the give a mouse a cookie, and I don't want to be the same. I don't like being twins with people. So they look like two different sizes. This is too funny, actually. Like, this one is super. They're just interesting. They're very unique. Okay. I don't want to put too much extra colors for the poster maker to ink up, so I'm just gonna cut the plate and the brownie and ice cream and then call it a day. I'm not gonna lie to you, I have nothing planned for the kids. I'm gonna ask my what should we do? We can probably just play some spooky songs all day. I don't know. I have nothing planned because there's too much other stuff going on. Okay. So this is what I'm gonna make. I guess I could just wear this, but I'm Carla. I'm extra. Alright, gotta get this one together. So since I cut out this, I'm just gonna put this right on top. I mean, people can tell, but it's like this ice cream thing is killing me. So I'm not gonna make another one because we don't got ink to be wasted. So I'm just gonna tape it on here and call it a day. And then we have
all staff members in the building in costume. We're going to be taking a picture in T-minus 5 minutes downstairs in the gym. Thank you.
no problem. I made it home. Taking these things out, they hurt so bad. And I lost a piece of hair. Like, just randomly. It'd be like that, I guess. I don't know. It's freezing outside. But I need my hair to relax for a second. It's a lot of tension today. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my very last minute character day costume. I had an amazing time, and we did a parade. It was so nice. They waved at each other and walked around. We proceeded to have lunch, so very thankful that the day went nice. Bye. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Mommy.